Hi friends, welcome to ASLP Club. Today we are enlightened to share you some distinguishing information which all will be regarding BASLP, a rehabilitative medical course. As you all know, today education is very much essential to build a good career. Students wander here and there for right career and best guidance after their school education. But folks are actually really confused. So here we are to put some light and to get you out of the chaos. Let's first glance through what all we are going to discuss in this video about BASLP. We'll be starting with small introduction, duration, eligibility and admission to the course, some colleges that offer BASLP course, annual fees, attendance criteria required during course, nature of the course, its job scope, workplaces and salary. So, coming to our topic, BASLP, which stands for Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, is a professional program conducted by Rehabilitation Council of India, that is RCI. It consists of two main subjects, audiology, which is the science of hearing and involves hearing, balance and its disorders, and speech language pathology, which is the science that deals with speech, language, communication, swallowing and their disorders. In this course, students are expected to equip knowledge and skills to screen, prevent, identify, diagnose, evaluate and treat these disorders across lifespan. So, this was the actual content that is there in this course. If you want more information on the subjects and syllabus, here you go on the RCI website by simply searching RCI BASLP syllabus. You will get all the content regarding the same like duration, eligibility, exam patterns, syllabus and all. Moving on, the program is of 4 academic years including 1 year of internship. And according to RCI, it should be completed within 6 years from the date of admission. Course is conducted in semester pattern and there are examinations at the end of each semester. Students applying for admission to BASLP program should have passed 12th examination with minimum of 50% marks. A science group student with physics, chemistry and optional subject from mathematics, biology can apply for this course. One more requirement is that students shall not be older than 25 years. Admission to the course in India follows the rule of merit-based admission. Seats are allotted to eligible candidates on the basis of marks scored by students in board examination as well as entrance tests that may be NEET, CET and also on own entrance exams of the institute. Now, talking of colleges, universities or institutes, there are limited colleges all over India that offer this course. Some of the well-known colleges are All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, that is most commonly called as AISH, that is situated in Mysore. It also has its branch in Jabalpur. Aliyawarjang National Institute of Speech and Hearing, that has its branches in Mumbai and Kolkata. Topiwala National Medical College and Nair Hospital, Mumbai. Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Deemed University in Pune. Its application form for the year 2020 is available and its last day of submission is 30th July. The exam will be conducted on 10th August and counselling is on 25th August. In Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, on the day of counselling, students need to pay the whole 1 year fees for admission. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Delhi, Osmana University, Hyderabad, Helen Keller's Institute of Research and Rehabilitation, Sikandarabad, Manipal University of Higher Education, Karnataka, Dr. Shakuntala Mishra National Research University, Lucknow, and more. These were some of the colleges. You can know more about the colleges on respective websites. BASLP annual fees varies from institutes. In government colleges, the fees ranges from 20,000 to 1 lakh and so in private, the fees can range from 50,000 to 4 lakhs. Now you know what BASLP is and how to take admission. Once you take admission and get started with the course, the attendance for it is quite strict and mandatory. You will be having theory classes and practicals. For theory classes, minimum of 80% and for practicals, minimum of 90% attendance is required in each semester to be eligible to appear for exams. In first year of this course, you may not have more of practicals but would be asked to observe patients in therapy and cases. In second year, you may be allotted with regular patients with seniors or the faculties. Third year onwards, you will be taking cases on your own but under supervision. In this year, you will also have to present a case in front of the college. In internship, you may have college as well as outside postings. From my opinion, this course for an average performer may be medium difficult, but with consistency and dedication, there can be success in this field. And also, it has tremendous scope. After completing the course, you will get the license and your degree will designate you as audiologist and speech-language pathologist that have wide range of job opportunities in both private and government sectors with 100% job guarantee due to its demand. Some of the job titles are audiologist and speech-language pathologist, clinical supervisor, audio or speech researcher, audiotherapist. You can work in healthcare settings like hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, medical rehabilitation centers, regular or special schools, early intervention program and multidisciplinary rehabilitation centers, industrial settings, hearing aid and cochlear implant companies, universities or colleges, research centers and private settings. Moving on to the salary, an audiologist's and speech language pathologist's annual income in India ranges from 2.5 to 7.5 lakhs. That of course depends on the performance of your work, government or private setups, and your promotion with time, etc. This was all about the course. If you have any query or problem regarding the same, you are free to comment or mail us privately on aslpclub@gmail.com. We would be happy to help. If you liked the video and feel it was informational enough, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.